Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add effect to video in Capcut Mobile. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you need to go to Capcut and then click on the video that you want to add the effect. Click on the video and then click on effect. So here you will have multiple effects, either video effect, body effect, or the style, the AI effect. If you just want the regular effect, I would recommend you to choose video effect. So it will have multiple effects, either trending effect or maybe like the pro or the paid effect, depending on whichever you want. So let's say I want like a shake effect. You will see the video will be shaken. Once you are happy with the change, you can click on check mark and the effect should be added to your video. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.